What's the meaning of Bermuda shorts? Bermuda shorts. Bermuda shorts.
Bermuda shorts. Bermuda shorts. Bermuda shorts are a style of casual shorts that originated in Bermuda, a British overseas territory in the North Atlantic Ocean. They are known for their distinctive length, which falls just above the knee, and their tapered cut, which gives them a more tailored look than some other types of shorts. Originally designed for comfort in the humid climate of Bermuda, they have since become popular around the world as a stylish and versatile option for both men and women. Despite their popularity, some people have criticized Bermuda shorts for being too casual or even unprofessional, while others argue that they can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion.